Hello everyone! This section is about the introduction of the Yalong YL569828D CNC milling machine. Our CNC milling machine includes CNC system, operation panel, and composite drive. PLC unit and output board. The backside of this equipment include the 4-phase arc extinguisher, control transformer, and the control circuit of the machine tool. The first line of control circuit of machine tool includes leakage protection switch, monopolist and circuit breaker. The first air switch is to control cooling. The second is to control the air switch for fluorine transformer. The third air switch is to control the main fan. The fifth is to control the air switch transformer. The sixth air switch is a device to control our assessment of CNC system. And the last switch power is supplied for machine tool 3-chromatic lamp to provide 24 DC volt. The second row includes a cooling AC receiver, a 3-phase arc extinguisher, an intermediate machine, and a PLC input and output board, and a switching power supply. The switching power supply is mainly the input-output module of the supply system and the 24 DC volts of the collector module. In the third row, we include the Yalong CNC Intelligent Practical Training Assessment System and the split disk input-output module, which is independently developed by Yalong company. The fourth row is our terminal main row. Here is an introduction of the 828D CNC system interface. XE is our 24 volts power input. X100 is high-speed drive interface. X130 is our industrial Ethernet interface. X135 is USB interface. X140 is RS232 interface. X143 is the hard wheel interface. X132 is digital high-speed input-output interface. X242 is a digital high-speed input-output interface. X252 is a digital high-speed input and output interface. MCP Basic Operation Panel Introduction. The CNC milling machine is equipped with MCP 483 Basic Operation Panel. It has 50 mechanical buttons and LED lights. The machine tool can allocate the feed rate of 17 users to control 16 positions. It will also allow users to control the key to shut down and select the feed rate of the spindle. 6 holes are used to install the collection user button. There are 9 user inputs and 6 output interfaces. It uses PlayFAT to connect X10 24 DC volts, X20 Ethernet interface, X21 Ethernet interface, 2 X30 import power switch inputs, X31 spindle multiplier switch input, X51 user interface. Driver interface. X200 receives the X100 4-arc high-speed drive interface behind the 828D numerical control system. X201 is the main shaft encoder interface. X202 is the Z-axis encoder interface. X203 is connected to the Y-axis encoder interface. X204 is connected to the X-axis encoder interface. X21 is a 4-wheel interface. X13 and X14 are main shaft fan interfaces. X224 is 4-arc control interface. The following is a description of the PP7248 principal PLC input and output board. X1 is a DC 24 volts power input. Plot L1 is connected to the MPC operating panel. X333, X222 and X111 is the digital high-speed input and output interfaces and the hand pulse generator respectively.